Hi, in this video I am going to show you the making process of the Rubber Ducky USB, which can be used for hacking or pranking. This is based on the bad USB of Seytonic. For details and how to use it, please refer to his video. Link in description. Let's start. First you need SparkFun Pro Micro, MicroSD module, micro USB adapter, USB male Type A connector and dip switches. Connect micro USB adapter and USB male Type A connector together. Insulate the exposed part using hot glue. Stick the dip switches together. Disconnect the pin header from the MicroSD module. Connect the ground pins of dip switches together. Connect the dip switches to Pro Micro. Connect the MicroSD module with Pro Micro. Thanks for watching. Please consider like and subscribe.